Happy Canada Day. And if you're north of the border, happy Independence Day in a few days. Yeah, that's right, I said north of the border. There's a huge chunk of Michigan that sits north of southern Ontario. So why do a video? Well, I think it's Canada Day for one thing. It's a good occasion to do one. Got a little bit of free time, or available time, maybe not free. And the other thing is, I really do believe that we've reached what's called peak smart. I think in this country, and everybody knows, or should know, Canadians are very, very smart. The people are smart, the contractors are smart. Like, when you hire a contractor, it doesn't matter anymore. They're all smart. They're up to date on their courses. They're at the top of their game. No, seriously. The world knows this. And I don't think enough people talk about it. What we've accomplished in this country. What are we, 152 years. Canada has more fresh water than anyone else, more land than anyone else, more wood products than anyone else, more oil than anyone else. So we've got all these resources, and we live in a little apartment. Kind of weird. No, like we have houses. We have very reasonably priced houses here. The housing market. Okay, I'm getting off topic. I know. But hey, I'm just saying. Canada, we gotta be proud. Because we're good. We're really good. I hope they got their fire alarm sprinkler system all figured out. Lots of fireworks, but they're like that must be like Leamington or Tecumseh. Like I said, I'll be really happy when July 4th rolls around. Yeah, I think the mic will pick it up, and I can see it in the distance, but this is a fairly wide angle lens, so even if I did point at it, it'd be smaller than a firefly. The heck was that? What the? Oh, fireworks, I guess. So you're looking at a simplex panel behind me. Probably the best fire panel ever made. Let's take another look at that. 4100U. I would say from about 2006, I would say. I could find out for sure. Before we close it off though, let's take a look at some of the fire panels in the city.
We're here on a service call for a 2280 with no power on light. Now, it's just a regular 2280. Nothing special here. The tenants walk past it every day. The superintendent, the resident manager, the owner, fire inspector. Except there's no power on LED. Well, why don't we investigate? Wait for it. Well, what do we have here? We open up the door. Surprise, surprise. That to me, folks, looks like a work of art. It really does. Viewer discretion is advised from this point forward. They said it couldn't be done, but this technician managed to jam an fa1000 into a 2280 with batteries into a 2280 box. This really is a work of art. So if you're new to the industry, or like me, I'm fairly new. I've been doing this since 1985. This is what you encounter from time to time. But this truly is a work of art. It really is. I know the technician that did it back in 2013. It's still like that today as far as I know. And it's passed inspection every year. I have no idea how it could pass inspection. Obviously, they're not using the 2013 inspection standard. And I know the guy. I'm not going to give out his name, but he's you'll know who he is. He's one of these guys that looks like he's got to take a crap all the time. It's like, hey, are you going to be okay? He's like, kind of like that. I don't think he's in Alberta anymore. I could be wrong. I thought he moved back out to BC. Okay, and I'm going to show you one more before we go dark. And so stay tuned. Save the best for last. Actually, this is the best. This is a work of art. This really is a work of art. So anything I show you from here on in is considered watered down. But so don't stay tuned. And coming up, we got another one.